Now we shall discuss about UPS, Uninterruptible Power Supplies. My dear friends, we have been enjoying the benefits of electrical power. To be frank, we must enjoy it. Now, when we consider our daily life, there are some applications which require continuous supply of electrical power. Best examples are ICU, intensive care unit in a hospital that requires continuous supply for its proper functioning, and a computer that requires continuous supply for protecting our data. So, when we observe here, the continuous supply of electrical power from the mains may not be possible all the time because there may be some interruptions due to various issues. So, in such cases, to ensure continuity in the supply of electrical power from the mains, we generally opt for UPS installations. In this lecture, I shall briefly explain you the two types of static UPS configurations. The first one is short break UPS and the second one is no break UPS. The first figure is about short break UPS. Now, in this we shall consider normal operation. First we shall consider normal operation. Normal operation means the load will be getting electrical power directly from the main AC supply. Now, in the normal operation, the first switch is in on state and the second switch is in off state. So, as this is in on state, the electrical power will transfer from main AC supply in this direction and it finally reaches this load. Meanwhile, in the normal operation, the main AC supply is rectified to DC and this DC output will charge these particular batteries. This is what happens in normal operation. Now consider there is an interruption in the main AC supply. My main AC supply got interrupted. Due to that interruption, this particular second switch will be converted from off state to on state. Due to that particular interruption, this is getting converted into on state. Now this is in on state. As this is in on state, the batteries deliver power through this inverter and filter to the load. Now the load is getting power from the batteries. I have told you that this particular second switch is getting converted from off to on. So due to this, and this first switch is also getting converted from on to off. Due to these conversions, there will be a momentary interruption in the electrical power supply. That is for between 4 to 5 milliseconds. Due to that small interruption, for example, if there is a lamp here in this load, we can observe a transient dip in the illumination of that particular lamp. Due to that small interruption, there will be a dip in the illumination. So this is about short break UPS, and let's come to no break UPS. Consider normal operation. In this normal operation, this first switch is in off state and this particular second switch is in on state. This is in on state. In normal operation, this load will get electrical power from the main AC supply through this rectifier, inverter, filter, and it flows and finally reaches this load. In this normal operation, first this main AC supply will be rectified to DC and this DC output will charge the batteries, and also this particular DC output reaches this inverter and inverter DC is converted to AC and finally the electrical power reaches the load through this filter. This is what happens in the normal operation. Now consider there is an interruption in my AC supply, main AC supply. As there is an interruption here in this main AC supply, immediately my batteries will be delivering power to the load through this inverter and filter. After that interruption, immediately this delivering of this particular power will get started. So there is no break up here. There is no break. There is no break and there is no interruption. So when we compare these two configurations, no break UPS is better than that short break UPS. No break UPS is having various advantages. Some of the advantages are that whenever there is a transient in the main AC supply, we can protect our loads by using this particular configuration. And also, this inverter output frequency can be maintained at desired values. These are some of the advantages, and this is about two configurations, two types of static configurations, static UPS configurations. Thanks a lot.